Beyond their cheeky antics and undeniable love for a good walnut, the squirrels bustling around. These furry acrobats, far from being a monolithic bunch, showcase incredible diversity. But it's not just their varied appearances that intrigue. Squirrels are also surprisingly sophisticated communicators, engaging in a lively chatter of vocalizations and leaving secret scent messages for their neighbors, often as a crucial early warning system against lurking dangers. Their legendary hoarding habits aren't just about squirreling away a winter stash. Imagine a tiny, frantic architect meticulously burying countless individual treasures, only to later navigate their underground pantry with an almost supernatural spatial memory, a feat, and that twitching nose? It's attached to a highly developed olfactory superpower capable of sniffing out buried bounty. These agile daredevils aren't just scampering, they're capable of breathtaking leaps, effortlessly soaring several feet through the air and bridging seemingly impossible gaps of over 10 feet between branches, a true aerial ballet right in our local trees. Their diet is a testament to their adaptability, a far cry from just nuts, encompassing a seasonal smorgasbord of plants, succulent fruits, crisp vegetables, etc. Perhaps most remarkably, these seemingly busy little creatures play a vital, often overlooked role in larger forest ecosystems, acting as unwitting gardeners by burying seeds that will eventually sprout and shape the very plant life around us.